This is very difficult to translate from the writing of Promised Messiah. He is presenting one quotation. The gist is, Hazrat Masih Islam said that in human soul there is everywhere, in child or people of any stage, there is a inclination towards an unseen existence.
Unseen existence.
Yes. So what is the meaning of this or interpretation?
Unseen existence is the existence of God. So, according to the Holy Quran, Allah inquired even before the birth of human beings from them, am I not your Allah? So they said, Bala, why not? So it doesn't mean that they had a talk with Allah even before their birth. This is the meaning of that verse of the Quran, Qalu Bala. Lastu bi Rabbikum, am I not your Lord? They said, yes, why not? So if one consults his own soul, he will come out with the same answer. What am I? I have to be created. I am not the creator of things. I must have been created by somebody, and that's Allah.